Welcome back, aspirants. So, today we are starting a series on films on culture. It will cover static as well as current event topics. Very useful for your upcoming films. So, today's topic is Dholavira, which is the 40th World Heritage Site of India. आपको बता दूं कुछ important films knowledge fact with respect to Dholavira. Now, Dholavira got World Heritage status in 2021. With that, India entered Super 40 Club with having 40 plus UNESCO World Heritage Sites. अब सुपर 40 क्लब में सिर्फ कुछ ही कंट्रीज बिलोंग करती है। वो है इटली, स्पेन, जर्मनी, चाइना एंड फ्रांस। प्लीज मेक अ नोट ऑफ इट। यूपीएससी कैन आस्क दिस। सेकंड, Dholavira is situated on Tropic of Cancer. It is one of the most important thing. Dholavira is located on Khadir Bait Island in the Great Run of Kutch in the Kutch district of Gujarat. Now some important features. Dholavira has cascading series of water reservoirs. यहाँ बहुत सारे water reservoirs हैं, इसीलिए famous है. You can see these are the water reservoirs which is used for irrigation and agriculture purpose. Dholavira has outer fortification. It has fortified citadel, middle town and lower town. आपको बता दूं, Dholavira is the only IVC site which has middle town. It has 3-level urban planning. बाकी के IVC site में there are only two things which are fortified citadel and a lower town. But it is only Dholavira which has middle town. UPSC can make question on this. Please note that. Third, it has two multi-purpose grounds, one which was used for festivities, another was used for marketplace. It also has 9 gates with unique design. This is one of the most important point that it has funerary architecture featuring tumulus, which is hemispherical structure like Buddhist stupa. Now stupa का जो structure होता है वो ऐसा होता है hemispherical mound. Now ये धोलावीरा में भी पाया गया है. Please make a note. UPSC can ask. It has multi-layered defensive mechanisms which has extensive use of stone in construction and special burial structure exist in Dholavira. Moving forward, other Harappan towns which are normally located near to rivers, जैसे हरप्पा जो है रावी पे situated है, मोहनजोदारो जो है इंडस पे situated है, चानुदारो इंडस पे situated है. The location of Dholavira is in the island of Khadir Bait. It is the only exception. And it was strategic to harness different kind of minerals and raw materials like copper, shell, statite, lead, banded limestone, etc. Now statite से आपका seals बनते थे, which is kind of river stone. Dholavira also facilitated internal and external trade to the Magan. Magan is Oman region and Mesopotamian region. Let's see the town planning of Dholavira. This is Dholavira and its layout. This is water reservoirs used for irrigation purpose. This is your citadel. This is your middle town. And this is your lower town. You can see here correctly that this is citadel. This is castle. Bailey is the outer wall of castle. This is middle town and lower town. And this is water reservoir for irrigation purpose. अब आइए जानते हैं कि धोलावीरा जो कि एक फ्लरिशिंग आईवीसी साइट था इसका डिक्लाइन कैसे हुआ. तो फर्स्ट, इकोनॉमिक टाइज विद मेसोपोटामिया जहां से ट्रेड होता था वो कोलैप्स कर गया. इट अफेक्टेड इट्स ट्रेड एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. सेकंड, हड़प्पन जो कि मैरीटाइम पीपल थे, बिकॉज ऑफ द पोर्ट्स दे लॉस्ट अ ह्यूज मार्केट अफेक्टिंग द लोकल माइनिंग, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, marketing and export business. And lastly, severe aridity and drying up of rivers like Saraswati led to the decline of Dholavira. अब Dholavira is a very important theme for UPSC and UPSC ने 2021 में एक क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ है. आइए देखते हैं. Which one of the following ancient towns is well known for its elaborate system of water harvesting and management by building series of dams and channeling water into connected reservoirs? The answer is Dholavira here. With this, we conclude this video and stay tuned for further important topics of films on culture. Thank you.